Hey, Andrew Harvard here from Niceville, Florida. Now, do you ever want to help people create these awesome pictures without having super expensive software? Well, there's a lot of ways you can do it. Today I'm going to show you how to create these awesome pictures or memes utilizing PowerPoint. So stay tuned, check out this great training. All right, how are we doing today? So we're going to show you how to make this pretty fun, very easy photos utilizing PowerPoint, something that most people already have. So right here are a couple of memes I created, and what you want to do is whether you're going to create quotes, which I can show you a couple, or you're trying to create pictures for your blogs. Biggest thing you ever want to do is do keyword research. Before I spend time doing a video, doing a blog, who is looking for what I'm creating? And then once you get your list of words, you want to create content for that. So this is a couple of posts focused around content creation or stuff with content. So all I did was find the word I needed, find a picture that matches it, and slap them together. Pretty easy. Here's another super simple one, content creation. Has people obviously working on something, and the word's content creation. Here's another blog post, content is king, 5 tips to better content creation. So I have a couple fun words in here. And the thing you notice on all of my pictures, I have my website. Who is this from? So if people try to steal this, that's awesome. They can share this all they want. But when they do, they're going to have my website on it, unless they decide to cover it up. Here's another one. Provide value with content marketing. And once again, it's a fun picture just bursting out of the chalkboard. Now, you may be asking, hey, where do I find these pictures? I got a fun blog post that has 21 different sites you can get free stock photos. So either message me or click the link. But if you want to find out more places to get fun photos, check out that blog. All right, so one of my favorite sites is Pexels, and you can put whatever you're looking for. So let's go ahead. Let's start with, we want to go with either somebody writing or a computer. So let's just put in computer. And here's lots of different photos. And these photos you can use for your own purposes, especially if you want to create different blog posts. This one could be a whole lot of fun. Now, I've already got a picture for us. I like to use these pictures. I also like to use fun animated pictures. And so here's one that I already downloaded and inserted into PowerPoint. So all you got to do is make it fit for whatever size you want. I usually stick with the standard page because I can make nice big pictures. If you want to fit specifically for, let's say, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, coolest thing is right here, you can go ahead and just adjust the size that we want. So all you have to do is go to design, go to slide size. You can go with standard, you can go with widescreen, or you can do custom dimensions. Now for PowerPoint, the dimensions are in inches. So what you need to do is just Google pixel to inches converter and then figure out if you need to do 600 by 600, what does that equal in inches? And simply change it. It's that simple. So all we're going to do is, this is a fun picture. This is somebody's content. And all we need to do is insert. I like to do some sort of background. And we'll just go right up top. I personally really like the rounded rectangles. And all we're going to do is I'm going to put a fun red color. I'm going to take away the border. And then what I'm going to do, instead of making this a dark red, I like to make it somewhat transparent. So I go to gradient and then more gradients. And what this does is lets me change the transparency. Because I still want you to see the picture behind it, but I want to be able to put text so you can actually read the text and not have it lost in the picture. So now all I'm going to do is hit this little text box. Whatever word that is popular that we want to have people find, we're going to put in there. So this one, I'm just going to simply use content creation. Super original, right? But if I'm doing a post about content creation, this is what I want, and I'm also going to name the picture the same. All right, then we need to make it as big as we want. So let's go with 48. Actually, we might be able to get a little bit bigger. Let's go to 54, and let's go ahead and change the color to white. And then we can make this whichever one we want. And let's see, which font do we want to use? There's a whole bunch of fun fonts out there. But for the time being, I just want to I like Hightower text. It's a fun one. And then now you see the size, and we can make it even bigger. So let's go to 66. And then now all we need to do is center this. And then we can make our box a little bit smaller. And here we have a fun, visually pleasing picture that has exactly what we're looking for. Now we're missing one thing, right? Yeah, we want people to know what our website is, and we want to make it harder for people to steal our stuff. I mean, people are going to do whatever they're going to do, but let's go ahead and I'm going to put my website on here. Now, you don't have to do this, but I highly suggest you putting your website on here. So when you share it on Twitter or Instagram and people share it as well, there it is, your website getting out there more and more and more for people to check out. Now, I personally like having it, my website in some sort of handwriting font, and I like to have it nice and bold. So here I have my website on the bottom of the screen. You just want to put it in some place people can see, someplace kind of out of the way. Now, once again, here is a very visually pleasing picture. It shows exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for content creation. And now the last thing we have to do is super difficult. We got to save it. So we just do File. We do Save As. Pick wherever we want. So I'll go ahead and throw it anywhere. Let's go on the desktop. We can name it. Now, whatever word you use, you want to save it as. So we'll go Content Creation, and what you want to do is you want to save it as a JPEG. Super crazy. And now we can go ahead and upload it to Facebook, upload it to Twitter. We can put it on a blog, put it wherever you need it to go. Pretty simple, right? So if you want more fun tips, go to somethingwithandy.com. I got a lot of fun and online marketing tips. And if you want to get super crazy, I got amazing, more secret tips that I don't even share on the blog on my personal newsletter. And so you might want to sign up for that if you want fun stuff. If you're not serious about yourself, don't worry about it. But have a great day and night.